It's time for Tyler's Tip of the Day.
Well, hello everybody. It's time for Tyler's Tip of the Day. And today it involves doing your laundry and specifically your dryer. And as you know, you got to clear out this dryer vent sheet. And it's typically something like this, and it definitely needs to be cleared away. Sometimes it's quite difficult to remove this, but I'm going to show you a tip that I have. I keep a little spray bottle here. And what I simply do is just spray my fingertips, and you can't see that, but that's what I'm doing. Then just go like this, and look at that. Whoa! Now that, folks, is an easy way to get the lint off, and as long as your fingers are wet, you can get up these little pieces very simply. And so that's Tyler's Tip of the Day, and I hope that it comes in handy for you in the future. And if you like this video, I'd sure appreciate your subscription, and if you'd like it and share with others so they can all learn from this, that'd be cool. So that's it for the day. I hope you have a great one, and thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye.
It's time for Tyler's Tip of